Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Nafula. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I'll be uploading my first video and I don't have a lot of content yet, or maybe I have a lot of content but I haven't edited it yet. So today I just decided what am I gonna upload. It's Friday and I promise I'll be uploading every Friday. So I decided to do a video on my gardening. I've been doing a lot of gardening in the summer, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I've tried to look for African vegetables that I used to like when I was back home, but I can't find any. So the only way that I can get the vegetables and get to enjoy them is to plant them. And before wasting much time, let's get down to business. As you can see, I have a lot of weeds that I have to take out, and I'm just taking them out the old-fashioned way. You can see the little kid over there trying to help, but I don't think if he has the right equipment. He has a broom, so I don't think if that's gonna work. But hey, I can take any help I can get at this point. I have a lot of work to do. So as you can see, it's like 90 degrees out. I have the hat on to help me, block some of the sun out. And Mama is really tired. Like you can see, it's a lot of work. And you can see there, I'm just like almost done. So gardening, you don't need a big space or a big shamba to actually do it. So if you live in the city, like if you live in Nairobi where I grew up, so you don't have like a lot of places, like if you have a balcony, you can actually buy the potted soil and then you can plant your vegetables in there. You just need to water them and then put them so that they're exposed to the sun, and they probably do very well. In America, if you have a backyard, or sometimes like if you want to just grow them outside in the balcony, they'll do well. So here my kids are just watching me plant the seeds and they're learning how to do it. I'm just showing them that, you just have to put a couple, don't just put like 100 of them in one spot. So, and they're watching me, they're learning. My 4-year-old over there likes to help a lot. His name is Jashi. So I've already put the seeds on the ground and I'm just gonna cover it lightly with soil, and I try to not overdo it. I don't want them too deep. I want when I put the water or like sprinkle the water on them, they will absorb the water and that will help them germinate. As you can see, Mama is working really hard and the kids are helping putting the seeds on the ground. As you can see, they are learning. Mama is directing them on what they need to do. And in the next section, you'll see like they're getting the hands on, because to learn, you have to get your hands dirty. So you'll see my 4-year-old plant sweet potatoes. They had never seen a sweet potato plant before. So I will be showing him how to plant the sweet potato plant correctly in the ground. So if you're looking for managu, then you should buy black nightshade, and you can get that on Amazon. I just need to warn you that it takes a little bit to get it shipped here. So probably if you want to plan it for the summer, prepare early and order, because sometimes it takes like a month. I don't know why. And that's the sweet potato plant. So you dig a hole first. Dig a hole.
Okay.
No, in here.
Oh, in there.
Okay. Dig a hole and then put it in there, and then here straight. Gonna straighten it up a little bit. Okay, now put the soil right on top of it, all the way. You see the way this one looks? Look at that one. You see that, the one Mommy did? All the way up and around it, just like that. And boom. One sweet potato plant, there's a 2, there's 3, 4,
Look!
5, 6.
We're gonna water the plants and make this. We like making puddles, so all the water stays here, right, Jasmine?
My kids absolutely love watering the plant. So in this section, as you can see, both Joshua and Jordan, they are watering the seeds that we just planted so that they can germinate and hopefully get to grow. So they are loving it, they're enjoying it, it's fun for the kids, so it keeps them out of trouble. So if your kids are in the house and you can't control them, or they're just driving you crazy, get them outside, get them planting stuff, get them doing the fun stuff. You don't have to go to a playground. Sometimes it can be involve doing a project like this, just showing them how to grow plants, and you'll be surprised how much the kids enjoying doing it. After we planted the seeds, I was really surprised on how fast they germinated. We planted the seeds, and literally like 2 to 3 days later, I could see some growth, which I was surprised. I think the weather is perfect. Planting them at this time was the right time to do it. And look at this dress. So the fabric is called kitenge. As you can see, it has a little bit of red and yellow. And guys, I love this dress. And I love all the dresses. I'll be showcasing like more, you'll see more of them on my show. It's a very pretty dress. My friend who lives in Kenya makes them, and then when somebody is coming over here, she just gives them and then they bring them over. I'm still learning how to edit content. I promise you guys that I'll be uploading videos every Friday, but I just realized like that might be not possible at this time. Once I get a hang of it, I'll be uploading probably every week, but for right now, maybe I'll be doing every 2 weeks or every couple weeks. I'm not very sure. That's pretty much it for today. I will come on with another video to just show the progress, or I'll wait until we're almost ready to harvest the vegetables, then I'll do another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.